wedge model experiment. Now what does that mean? We're going to learn, oh, okay, go ahead. That's exactly what it is. Alright, so I have a question for you guys. See all those buildings out there? Where are they? What's that state called? Well, all those buildings, right? Where is that? It's New York, right? That's New York. And where are we? New Jersey. Okay. You guys see that river outside? That huge body of water? Yeah. You know what river that's called? What river? Yeah. Starts with an H. The Hudson River. So the Hudson River is a river that cuts through New York and New Jersey. Now, do you think a river has fresh water or salt water? Fresh water. What else can we find fresh water? Streams, lakes, you can find a different kind of water in the ocean. What kind of water do you find in the ocean? Salt water, okay. Where else can you find fresh water? There are 3 more places we can find fresh water. You have streams, rivers, lakes, rivers. Oh yeah, I said rivers already. It's like, okay, what's a lake but smaller and starts with a P? Rhymes with bond. Starts with a P, rhymes with bond. Pond. Yeah. Ponds are also fresh water. What about the sky? What do we see when we look in the sky right now? Blue and what? What's the other color up there? White. What are those white? What are those white structures up there? Clouds. Okay. What comes from clouds? Rain. Is that salt water or fresh water? Fresh water. Okay. So we have a lot of fresh water coming from different places, and the last one, which I don't expect you guys to know, is from glacials, right? So you know the North Pole and the South Pole. It has ice. That's all freshwater ice. Okay. So it's cool. And then we have our salt water from the oceans. Okay? Now the Hudson River lets out into the ocean. Which ocean does it let out to? I can take you through this step by step, or you guys can work as a team and figure it out, and you can ask me questions along the way.
Alright, we work as a team.
You want to work as a team? Go ahead. And everything is here. Once you finish step 5, I'm going to come back in and ask you guys a few questions. Okay?
The water's over here. I'll go.
No, they said just
fill it.
Oh, okay.
Fill it. It says next from the container in front of you. Carefully pour this water into the
Just pour it. Take without
The estuary.
estuary. Take without filling. So where's that? This is the
extra take. Wait, is it?
Maybe you should ask.
It said from the counter in front of you, carefully pour this water into the
Estuary. Oh, I didn't tell you guys about estuaries. I was so focused on freshwater and saltwater and glaciers. I didn't tell you about estuaries. So when freshwater and saltwater interact, okay, they form a kind of environment or habitat called an estuary. Okay, can you guys say estuary?
estuary.
Estuary. Now, what is an estuary?
When salt water and
using. This is step 5.
No, go back. You didn't do steps 3 and 4.
Step 3. Using the measuring spoon, scoop out 1 spoonful of salt. Alright.
you do it, Shreya.
Spoon of salt from the salt container and add it to the right side of the
Okay, so
Yes.
wait, no. Wait, Should I do that?
Alright. It's right here.
No, go. Okay, put it. Put it, Shania.
Put it in and mix it up.
Mix it up. Gently mix
Gentle,
the
gentle,
water
gentle.
Until the salt is melted. That's all.
That's all it's going to come.
Oh my God.
Okay.
Okay, that's it. And now, put the spoon
No.
back. Gently mix the water with the
Alright. Add 4 drops of red food color to the salt water right side of the tank and stir gently. The spoon, right, pour it to the right.
Okay, so you're gonna mix it up.
Alright, 4. Squeeze.
Oh, wow.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Alright, mix.
Wait, you mix.
Oh! Oh! Alright, next.
Man, my hand is red.
We gotta get step.
He said to let him know when they were at step 5.
Don't worry about that. You probably meant the later stuff because right now you're just making the salt in the fresh water.
Add 4 blue things. Add 4 drops of blue food color to the fresh water left side of the tank and stir.
Okay, so you'll let her drip it and I'll stir. Alright.
No, you stir.
So go. 4 drops.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Right. So in the next step, you guys are going to be taking away the divider. So what do you think is going to happen if you mix the fresh water and the salt water?
It's gonna turn purple.
It's going to turn purple? Is the whole thing going to be purple?
Yes.
Yes? Okay.
Okay, so you do it.
Alright, let these waters become still. Please replace the food color bottles back into the box. You now have river water and ocean water. So that's river and this is ocean. But you haven't quite made an experiment. Before you make a model of an person, first think about what will happen when you remove the
Divider.
divider. Can you remove the divider?
Wait.
It's gonna
Keep reading.
Can you guess how the fresh water and salt water will
React.
react?
What do you think?
I think it will react like it will combine colors.
You think they'll combine? What do you think, Shania?
I think this will turn fresh as this will remove it, and then this will be salt.
Okay. What do you think, Hadia?
I think it's just gonna all mix together and turn purple.
Okay.
Alright, when the waters are still slowly and smoothly lift the rider, taking care not to shake the tank. That's careful. It's turning purple. Oh, look at it.
That water is
Don't touch it.
And the red is going over there.
So now it's going back.
Oh, this is so cool.
Sweet, now all the red water is under and all the
So it didn't mix completely, did it?
Yeah.
So what did you guys notice? What part is on the top?
That the rivers on the bottom.